This is the nervous system. It is comprised of two main components, the central nervous system, or CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, or PNS. The CNS is made up of the brain, spinal cords, and nerves, and the PNS is made up of sensory neurons, ganglia, which are clusters of neurons, and nerves that connect to one another and to the CNS. There are two main subdivisions of functionality in the nervous system: the somatic or voluntary component, and the autonomic or involuntary component. The autonomic nervous system regulates certain body processes, such as blood pressure and the rate of breathing, that work without conscious effort. The somatic system consists of nerves that connect the brain and spinal cord with muscles and the sensory receptors in the skin. There are a few vital organs in the nervous system, but none of little importance. The first vital organ would be the brain, a part of the central nervous system, and the cranial nervous system, which is basically just the nerves that connect the brain to the eyes, mouth, ears, and other parts of the head. The second vital organ in the nervous system is the spinal cord, which is only part of the central nervous system. It's sort of the connector between the CNS and the PNS. A most known neurological medical condition, epilepsy, is a chronic neurological disorder characterized by recurrent unprovoked seizures, which are electrical instabilities in the brain. They can range from brief lapses of attention or muscle jerks to severe and prolonged convulsions.
In the muscular system, there are a total of 650 muscles in the human body. The structure of the muscular system consists of three main muscles. Those muscles are smooth muscles or visceral muscles, skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles work within the heart. Skeletal muscles cover the human skeleton to help hold them in place, and smooth muscles line various internal organs such as blood vessels. Also in the stomach and intestines. There are 5 major functions of the muscular system. These 5 functions include movement, posture and stability, heat production, circulation of blood, and digestion promotion. First, we will talk about movement. Our skeletal muscles provide a sense of all voluntary movement in our bodies, such as walking, running, standing, playing sports, working out, chewing, blinking, writing, talking, and even closing our eyes. Secondly, our skeletal muscles provide stability and posture to our bodies. Since some of our joints are weak, they require the use of this muscle to stay stabilized. Third, our muscles provide us with heat production. In the muscular system, a large amount of energy is consumed. Due to the high metabolic rate increasing in the body, heat is produced from inside the body. This heat is usually used in cold climates. Fourth, our cardiac muscles provide our body with blood circulation. The cardiac muscle forces blood out of the heart and provides the body with blood flow. Since the blood is in constant motion in our bodies, it supplies our tissues with the nutrients needed and removes waste products. Lastly, our smooth muscles help with the digestion in our body. In the digestive system, food travels through the esophagus, to the stomach, to our intestines. Our stomach and our intestines are lined with smooth muscles that contract and aid the digestive system with digesting food. In the muscular system, there are 4 major organs: the heart, the stomach, the intestines, and the brain. The heart works within the cardiac muscles. The heart provides blood to be pumped throughout the body so that various tissues receive the nutrients needed, but the heart alone cannot carry out this task. The brain will send signals to the heart to adjust the rate of contraction. The natural pacemaker of the heart is the cardiac muscles that stimulates other cardiac muscles to contract. The heart is considered to be autorhythmic or intrinsically controlled. The stomach and intestines are other major organs of the muscular system. The stomach and intestines work with visceral muscles or smooth muscles. Both of these organs are lined with these muscles to help contract organs and move substances through the organ. The reason these organs need the muscle tissues is because visceral muscles are the weakest and need a strong organ to help push all substances through the organ. This helps with digestion. Muscular dystrophy is a genetic disease that is carried through the mother and passed down to the offspring. This disease weakens muscles due to the lack of protein dystrophin. Protein dystrophin holds skeletal muscles together. When a person is diagnosed with muscular dystrophy, their muscular tissues are replaced with fatty deposits. Some symptoms include difficulty of walking, traveling up and down the stairs, trouble with sitting up or down, loss of strength, falling, possible deformity, enlargement of the heart and calves, curvature of the spine, and wasting of the thigh muscles. Currently, there is no cure, but physical therapy can be used to lessen symptoms.
Another very well-known disease amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease, or motor neuron disease. Yeah, a lot of different names. It is a progressive neurological disease that causes the neurons that control voluntary muscles, motor neurons, to degenerate. Specific actions like picking something up or leaning over take the coordinated efforts of many muscle groups. Your mind relays the command to your CNS and it translates it into electrical impulses. Those are channeled through the somatic portion of your PNS to the nerves that control the specific necessary muscles. The nerve endings release a chemical, acetylcholine, when the message arrives, then stimulating the membrane of the muscle fibers, making them contract.